welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Zena. If you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how to kill two birds with one stone. And that's because I am going to deep condition my hair and color my hair at the same time. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, then keep watching. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I use Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger, and now I'm going to deep condition with their Algae Renew conditioner. And so I mixed the deep conditioning mask with the hair coloring and some oil, and that's how I do my weekly deep conditioning. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to start applying the color and deep conditioner mix. Look like this. And I'm going to start in the front. So normally I put about this amount in my hand and kind of rub it together. And massage it into the hair. So now I'm going to take my Felicia brush and detangle, starting at the ends. Okay, so I applied the deep conditioner mixture all over my head, but I have a bit more in the bowl, so I'm just going to add this all over. The deep conditioner mixture is all over my head. I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out. So if you want to see how I style my hair, then make sure you subscribe down below. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. Until next time, see you in my next video.